So today we're at the Dolphin, and on the right hand side when we walk in, we have 2 closet doors right here. We have some extra blankets and pillows up here. We have some hangers, an ironing board, a place to put your suitcase, bags to get laundry done. We have a safe here as well, and an iron. So let's walk into the room further. We'll go to the left first. There is a mirror here with some complimentary water, tissues, ice bucket, coffee maker with coffee cups, and then some extra storage placed down here and some more outlets down here as well. We also have outlets up here. So we walk into the bathroom area here. Let's just check out the tub area first. So on this whole door going to the bathroom is a full-length mirror. We have the toilet area here, the shower area here, and we also have some products they give you to complimentary. The shower looks pretty clean in the tub area as well. And then we also have a mirror, a picture here above the toilet. We have a mirror here with a light around it. We have a sink, some extra towels, soap, outlets, and underneath here we have the blow dryer, some extra towels, trash bin, cups, extra shampoo, conditioner, body lotion. We walk into the bedroom area and we have a TV on the left hand side, some drawers here as well. We also have a mini fridge under here, and they put some water in that's cold when you come in the room, which is really nice. This TV, you can hook up your Netflix, Hulu. Here you get 2 double beds. So here's one bed, here's another bed, here's the phone and the clock, and then over here we have a chair, and then over here we have a table and a chair, and this is like the room service menu and guest services book. And it's really nice. This table moves around really easily around the room from room service or whatever you want to do with it. And then we have a veranda area out here with 2 chairs, a table, and a view of Epcot. So that's it for this room tour. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and set your alerts so you get a notification about the next travel video.